that is useful and can be applied in the students' lives, creating generation who are not only smart in science but also smart in attitude, sensitive to the surroundings, caring and willing to sacrifice for others, can see world not only from one point of view. I want to be the teacher who guides, not demanding. Teachers who can be close friends, friendly, nurturing, and of course, guiding students to be better person. A teacher who can be remembered by students because of his interesting way of teaching. Teachers whose knowledge can be accepted by students and survive in their long-term memory. First, mastering the subject, of course, knowing and being able to realize the learning objectives of the lessons that I taught, have a positive personality such as sociable, patient, disciplined, honest, authoritative, humble, polite, sincere, empathetic, and others. Can be a role model for students. Understanding the characteristics of each student and be able to adapt to help each student's learning. Can determine effective and appropriate learning strategies and methods for students. Humanistic. Because in this theory, learning can be said to be successful when there is meaning achieved by students, both material and meaning for their lives. This is in accordance with the teaching objectives that I expected. And this theory is a theory that does not impose learning outcomes in the form of values. Values are only considered as self-evaluations. This theory also emphasizes that students need to avoid environmental pressures so they can learn safely and comfortably. I will use inquiry approach because learning outcomes in this way will be easier to remember and easily transferred by students. With this approach, we will also build the creativity of students. I will combine several methods such as lectures, discussions, simulations, field experiences, brainstorming, debates. With a variety of learning methods, students will not be bored following the lessons, and materials will delivered well. Students will also easier to remember the material that has been delivered. Build a comfortable and pleasant atmosphere. Second, make it look like we are learning with the students, not teaching them. Third, use interesting learning media such as pictures, videos, audios, and many others. Often to carry out activities such as delivering material in outdoor, practical, visit places that related to the subject, and made how we explain the material as interesting as possible. It can be like telling stories or using a song to explain. The quiz answer, of course, help. First, we can approach and ask what difficulties he is experiencing, and then understanding his character, find the reason why he or she has difficulty learning, try other learning strategies that more effective. Always encourage students not to give up. And last, don't forget to give praise when they success doing something.